All right, so I want to introduce everyone to the Yukon budget build. All right, so this is a 2007 Yukon SLT, 150, actually I think I just rolled over 160,000 kilometers. So as you see, some stuff I've already done that's going to be on upcoming videos with the leveling kit and the BF Goodrich tires. That's giving it a nice lift, nice ground clearance, as well as giving it a nice aggressive look. Some other stuff that I'm going to be doing to the truck as well is we're going to change these to LED lights. I'm going to try to find a good set of cheap but yet high-performing LED headlights, as well as LED fog lights. Let's take a look inside. We have GM's version of leather. It's more pleather. It's fully stacked up. The only thing it doesn't have is a sat nav, but dual heated seats. Even the back two seats are heated as well. DVD player. My kids really love that. Cruise control, all that goody stuff. Put in some WeatherTech mats. Those things are amazing. I try to keep the truck as clean as I can. Has a sunroof. Doesn't leak, which is good. Entertainment system right there. Drop down screen for the DVD player. You can also control the rear climate back here. Lots of room. This is not the XL. This is just the regular size. Does the job. Got WeatherTech mats here on the back, as well as I have rear seat protectors for my kids. All right, so a couple of things that I want to do to the truck. I want to put a nice bull bar right here. There's a nice bull bar that I saw from Rough Country with a LED strip that goes right across inside. I think that'll look nice. As I said, LED headlights, LED fog lights. I want to put a nice LED light bar. I think I'm either going to run it on top of the GMC logo or just underneath. So a 30 inch can be put in there, and I think a 45 can be put up on top. And then maybe possibly the LED pods that go right up here, they have bolted to the bracket of the hood, one on each side. I think that might be a little overkill. What I'm going to be doing with this truck is it's going to be my daily driver, as well as hauling the boat that we have. And also I want to do some wheeling with this. I want to go off-roading with this thing. So I am preparing this truck so that it is not heavy trails, but at least a light trail capable. Yeah, looking forward to that.